happening, guys. Ooh, sun in my face. Right here, local bridge in Pensacola, Florida. The bridge that you might recognize at me, Kayak Media, caught for a while, and a couple of our other buddies fish a lot. This is Bob Sykes Bridge. Just for some sheephead. I haven't been sheephead fishing in a couple weeks. Gonna try it out. Got some good old-fashioned crabs. We caught these ourselves because it's been too cold for the bait stores to catch them. What we're gonna do is go ahead and drop on these pylons right next to them, judge the current, see if we need to upgrade our weight or not. But right now I'm using a 1/4 ounce weight and a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. See if we can get on them. And the wind is howling. Sheephead on. That was quick. It's a nice one. Yeah. Ah, it's a good one. Decent. Oh, it's not really a nice one. He's decent. Got the egonet. Come on. All right. First fish to break the ice. Hammer this bird's prey sheephead jig. As you can see, beautiful fish. Probably 15, 16 incher. Now he's not going to open his mouth for me because he's in liquor. Come on. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna get them pliers on you. Come on, buddy. Let me get it. There you go. I'm gonna bleed him real quick. Be keeping fish. Haven't had some sheephead in a minute. Want some fresh fish? Alright guys, so as you can see, the first fish we caught, Bob Sykes was extremely rough. I mean, that north wind was just blowing. We figured it would have been a little bit sheltered, but it was just, I mean, he's fishable, but it was just a pain in the butt. So we're gonna go a little somewhere inshore, a little bridge that's well sheltered inside the bayou, so we can catch some sheeps. I know we can get on some big black jump for sure there, but let's keep going. Let's get after it. Oh no, I just had a bite. Oh no. Hammer that. Dang it. Fish on, guys. It's a sheephead too, shockingly. I thought it was gonna be a drum, but I got it. Oh, he's fighting now. Kind of got the hook set all messed up, but got one. pad number 2 for the day. He's a decent one too, for sure. Oh, hello. Okay. Okay. First spray sheephead jig, doing work with the wind blowing right when I'm talking. So sorry about that. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen. Got the sheephead all filleted up. If you don't know how to fillet sheephead, I made a video a while back, so I'll put the link above there. So let's get cooking. Let's make this fried fish sandwich. Step, of course, you want to go ahead and pat all the moisture off your fish because it makes the flour and everything adhere better when you're frying the fish. Next step, you can go ahead and cut off your fish to size, just a little bit bigger than the bun you're serving. It makes it a little bit better sandwich. Then of course you want to season your flour. I like to season heavily with paprika, garlic powder, pepper, a little Creole seasoning, doesn't hurt nobody, it's really good. Then of course you want to season your fish, because if you don't, your fish is going to taste bland, so I like to do a little salt and pepper on my fish before I fry it. Then once you get your flour ready, you add your fish to your flour, make sure you cover it all the way around. Shake all the excess off, then go ahead and go ahead and dip it in your egg wash. Both sides, get it fully covered and submerged. Take it out, let it drip, then go ahead and put it right into your panko. Now this is going to make a nice crispy crust on it. It's going to make it a very delicious sandwich. So make sure you cover the fish up fully. Get all the sides and make sure you get the panko all over the fish. Now you're going to have your oil all fried up, ready to go. Make sure to have your oil up to 350 degrees and lay the fish away from you so you don't splash the oil on yourself. Alright, see how the fish is starting to turn see how the fish is starting to turn golden brown? It's about time to take them out. Alright, so we got these brioche buns here. What we're going to do is we're going to give them a little toast. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the oven and set it on broil for 1 minute. And that's all you need. And you just take a little oil, vegetable oil, coconut oil, whatever you like to use. Just give it a little spray. Put them in the oven for 1 minute on high. And they come out toasted. The brioche buns. Perfect, only 1 minute in the oven, came out just fine. There's the panko fish. Alright, now it's time to make the sandwich. You got your 2 brioche buns. You got some fresh tartar sauce made. All it is mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and a little bit of relish. It's a little dab will do you. Spread it with your spoon. Both sides, because why not? Then we're going to add a fresh cut tomato right here on the top bun. Then we're going to grab our fresh sheephead caught today. Add 1 slice here, 1 piece there. After we add the fish, go grab some fresh shredded lettuce. We cheated, we didn't cut our own, we bought it. Because why not? Then you plate. And there's the sandwich. Now it's the best part, my favorite part, we get to eat it. So let's cut in half